Hello and welcome back. For the following problem, we're going to be looking at hybridization, and we're specifically going to be to determine the hybridization of nitrogen in the following compound. So the first thing that you always want to do when approaching these types of problems is you always want to write out the electron configuration. Once you write out the electron configuration, the next thing that you want to do is write out the orbital diagram. By doing both of these, it's going to make answering this problem significantly easier. So the following orbital diagram and electron configuration for nitrogen is as such: helium 2s2 2p3. Once we write this out, we can then start to get a little bit more insight of what the hybridization is going to be for nitrogen. Remember, hybridization will always occur unless in the presence of a double or triple bond. So everything's going to mix together. So in this case, we have 3 half-filled orbitals. So we have 3 orbitals that can participate in bonding, and that is what we see here. So when we look at the hybridization, we're looking at everything that ends up mixing, and so this is going to be an sp3 hybridized. We're going to have 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals, and they're all going to be of equivalent energies. And these are all sp3. So nitrogen is sp3 hybridized. Remember, when answering these types of questions, you always want to start off with the electron configuration, then writing out the orbital diagram, because then it gives you a visual of how many half-filled orbitals you have, if you need to excite any electrons to a higher orbital, etc. And then you can see how many orbitals are actually mixing together. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.